Hey guys, welcome to Cybertruck 1. Look what we have here. The TesStudio center console for the Cybertruck. I'm going to install it in a few minutes. Just laid out a few of the pieces. We're going to do a little overview of the whole thing. Not going to do a big install project since there's so many people that show that. But we're going to get a feel for it. We're going to go to South Dakota tomorrow, Devil's Tower. Devil's Tower is in Wyoming, but we're also going to South Dakota as well. Anyway, once it's all installed, we're going to see how it feels, how it works for our needs. But more importantly, what we're going to do in step 2 of this project is we're going to convert this center console into a firefighter police scanner type thing where I'm going to have a CB, I'm going to have a police and fire scanner, might have a GMRS radio, might do a marine radio. We're going to use this thing sort of like the way the police and fire would in a chief's car, and we're going to sort of modify it. So we're going to start off with the normal setup, then we're going to go into the never been done before. Please follow along and check this out. All right, I got part A, B, and C in. Literally just dropped it in. Haven't turned a screw yet, but they're nice and conveniently placed and pretty snug and fit perfectly. Let's go to the next step. Fast install tip. When you're installing, this is part D, I guess, the side. You want to just make sure, use a little flashlight, you can see the holes line up perfectly. Do this before you start pushing and pulling and screwing and whatever. Make sure everything's lined up. Yeah, that's what she said. I know, you were thinking it. Anyway, make sure all the holes are lined up before you start screwing. All right, before we do the opposite side, I guess that's part E, we're going to get rid of this fire scanner. It's a little dusty at the moment, but this is a police, fire, CB, ambulance, DOT with its own GPS. Everywhere you go in the country, it switches over automatically to the location of which you are driving in. And so you can listen to just about anyone, assuming it's not encrypted, but that's another story. Anyway, in part 2 of this at some point, once this is all done, this is going to be one of the items that we mount in here and turn this thing into a center console police and fire radio system. So we're getting in the second side, the other side. Again, super easy. They provide you a screwdriver. It's the only tool you need. I just screwed in that screw right there, and I'm going to do the rest of them. And this might be hearing a little chirping from the scanner. Still got her on. But yeah, so far so good. I'm going to put the bottom screws on here, and then we'll go to the next step.